We're gonna make some garlic Parmesan sausage and shells. We're starting with 1 pound of smoked sausage that I cut up into coins, kind of spread it along the bottom there. We're gonna throw in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup on top of that. Once you have that in there, we're also gonna throw in 1 block of cream cheese that we've cut into 8 cubes, kind of get them spread around. And we're also going to put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream onto that. It's starting to get real creamy already. And then we're also going to throw in 1 cup of chicken broth, as well as a cup of grated Parmesan. Just kind of get that spread around there. And finally, our seasonings. We're going to put some garlic powder. Do about however much garlic. I like garlic, so I'm going to do a nice generous helping, as well as some Italian seasoning and black pepper. Okay, now just give that a light stir. You don't have to mix it around super hard, just kind of get the Parmesan and the cream and all that kind of mixed together a little bit. All right, once you give it a nice stir, we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna put it on high for 2 to 3 hours. We got another step. All right, y'all, after about 2 to 3 hours, you're gonna wanna open that thing up, throw in some shells. We're gonna throw in 12 ounces of shells, which is 3/4 of this box here. So not quite the whole thing. Make sure you can get it nice and submerged in the liquid there. And also, while you're getting it stirred in, throw yourself 2 tablespoons of butter in there as well. Okay, once you got your shells mixed in there, go ahead and put your lid back on. Keep it on high for 25 to 30 more minutes. This thing should be ready. All right, so after about 25, 30 minutes, those shells should be pretty good and cooked in there. So give it a good stir around. Get all that creamy goodness stirred real nice in there. It's time to try this baby. So let's get into it. Look at that. Look at that creamy goodness. Definitely want to get one of these sausages. Oh, that is really good.